Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Southern Cookbook is probably one of the most treasured culinary guides for anyone passionate about exploring the diverse and flavorful world of Southern cuisine. This comprehensive cookbook offers a captivating journey through the heart of Southern cooking, unveiling treasured recipes passed down through generations, from classic comfort foods to innovative twists on traditional dishes, ensuring an unforgettable culinary adventure for both novice and experienced cooks alike. Number 5. I Heart Soul Food Cookbook. Welcome to I Heart Soul Food, where classic Southern comfort food recipes come to life. Get ready to savor the flavors of home, one delicious dish at a time. Start your culinary journey with our mouth-watering appetizers and sides. These dishes are perfect for sharing and will tantalize your taste buds. Dive into a world of hearty and satisfying main courses. Each recipe is a testament to Southern culinary traditions, passed down through generations. Indulge in the sweetness of our decadent desserts. These sweet treats are the perfect ending to any Southern meal. Discover the art of Southern baking with our collection of cakes, pies, and cookies. These recipes are sure to become family favorites. Each recipe in this cookbook tells a story, connecting you to the heart of Southern cuisine and its rich history. Enjoy the journey. What we like. It's filled with 100 classic Southern comfort food favorites. If you are looking for a diverse collection of soul-satisfying recipes, this is the cookbook for you. It's perfect for home cooks who want to explore the best of Southern cuisine. What people say. Easy to follow, astonishing illustrations and narrations, and while they are simple to make, they are out of this world delicious. Easy recipes for all types, breakfast, lunch, and soulful meals that are good for family occasions. They were all easy to prepare and full of flavor. Number 4. Paula Deen's Southern Cooking Bible. Welcome to Paula Deen's Southern Cooking Bible, your new guide to creating delicious Southern dishes. Get ready to explore a world of classic recipes and family favorites. This cookbook is more than just recipes, it's a legacy of Southern cooking passed down through generations. It captures the heart and soul of Southern cuisine. Discover over 300 mouth-watering recipes, from comforting classics to exciting new creations. There's something for everyone to enjoy. It features timeless Southern favorites, but with fresh twists and modern techniques. Prepare to elevate your culinary skills. Even if you're a beginner, you'll find the instructions clear and easy to follow. Get ready to impress your family and friends with your newfound culinary talents. This cookbook has earned its place as a bestseller, loved by home cooks and chefs alike. It's a must-have for any Southern food enthusiast. What we like. This cookbook boasts over 300 delicious recipes and is considered a new classic. If you are a serious Southern food enthusiast and want a comprehensive collection, this is your go-to guide. Its wide variety and reputation make it a must-have for any kitchen. What people say. So many recipes and tips. Great for cookbook collectors or cooks. After a 5-page introduction from Deen about the history and variety of Southern cuisine, the book has over 20 well-organized chapters, each specifically separated by type of dish. Most recipes take up one full page, although a few are half a page and others 2 pages. Some recipes have diagrams to explain certain techniques. Almost every recipe has either a tip from Paula that explains a particularly significant part of the recipe or offers a substitution that might suit alternative tastes. The instructions are easy to understand and very direct. I have a lot of cookbooks, and am a serious cook-baker. I am not easily impressed and pretty fussy about cookbooks and their content, but this one is a must-have. I was impressed with pretty much every recipe throughout the book. This woman knows how to make good down-home food. Number 3. Good Book of Southern Baking. It's a delightful journey through the heart of Southern cuisine. Get ready to rediscover the magic of biscuits, cakes, and cornbread. These aren't your average biscuits. It offers secrets to achieving that perfect, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Indulge in the rich history and irresistible flavors of classic Southern cakes. Each recipe is a story waiting to be baked. From savory crumbles to sweet additions, this book explores the versatility of cornbread. It's a staple that will become a family favorite. This book captures the essence of Southern hospitality. It's more than just recipes, it's a collection of cherished family traditions. It's a celebration of Southern baking, offering both classic recipes and exciting new twists. It's time to get baking. What we like. It's a revival of Southern baking traditions, specializing in biscuits, cakes, and cornbread. If you have a sweet tooth and love baking, this cookbook is your perfect companion. You'll find amazing recipes for all your favorite Southern baked goods. What people say. Great recipes and clear directions and beautiful photographs of every recipe. The baker's biscuit recipe, which is the reason I purchased this book, lived up to every expectation. I bought the recommended flour, 00 Caputo, and it made the most tender, flavorful biscuits I've ever popped into my mouth. This is a must-have on your shelf if you want good, unpretentious recipes to follow and getting amazing results every time. Number 2. Deep South Dish Recipes. Get ready to savor the authentic flavors of the South. This collection is filled with treasured family recipes, passed down through generations. Discover the secrets behind those unforgettable Southern dishes. It's like having grandma in the kitchen with you, guiding you every step of the way. It has everything from classic comfort food to sweet Southern treats. Each recipe is easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. These recipes are designed to be simple and straightforward. Even with minimal cooking experience, you'll achieve delicious results. Take a culinary journey through the heart of the South. It's more than just a cookbook, it's a celebration of Southern heritage and hospitality. These recipes are perfect for sharing with family and friends. Create lasting memories around the table with these delicious dishes. What we like. This cookbook features home-style Southern recipes, perfect for family meals. If you are looking for simple, yet delicious, recipes that evoke a sense of home, this is it. It's ideal for those who appreciate traditional Southern cooking passed down through generations. Number 1. Cheryl Day's Treasury. Welcome to Cheryl Day's Treasury of Southern Baking, a collection of recipes passed down through generations. It's a journey through the heart of Southern cuisine, filled with warmth and deliciousness. This treasury is filled with classic cakes, from delicate layer cakes to rich, decadent pound cakes. Each recipe is a testament to Southern baking traditions. Discover a world of pies, from sweet fruit pies to savory pot pies. These recipes are sure to become family favorites, bringing joy to every gathering. Indulge in a delightful array of cookies, from melt-in-your-mouth shortbread to chewy chocolate chip delights. It's a collection that will satisfy any sweet tooth. Beyond cakes, pies, and cookies, it offers a wide variety of other Southern treats. Explore the recipes and discover new favorites. Each recipe is carefully crafted and easy to follow, ensuring baking success for everyone. It's a treasure trove of Southern culinary heritage. What we like. It's a treasure trove of Southern baking recipes from a renowned expert. If you're a baking aficionado seeking expert guidance and unique recipes, this cookbook is a must-have. It offers a level of detail and expertise that elevates your baking to the next level. What people say. This book is beautiful. It has beautiful pictures and the recipes look easy to follow. I love how she put an introduction to the beginning of the recipe. I love when authors do that. I like to know a little about the recipe and where it came from. For me, that's a plus. An absolutely beautiful book that will be top of the stack of only a few prized cookbooks that stay on my kitchen counter year-round. Her writing style made me feel as if I were sitting with her in her kitchen as she effortlessly rolled out her biscuits while warmly and humbly sharing with me the journey of her life and how she came to find herself living her passion of cooking, baking and storytelling. The recipes themselves are timeless treasures that will never disappoint. I wanted a book of Southern recipes for baking, so I bought this book. I love it. A great selection of recipes and a book where I find lots of things I am planning on making. She also has tips in there for better baking and I love reading those as well. There are so many recipes that it's easy to find something to make every time I pick it up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.